I grind cause I gotta get paid. 1% chance, 99% faith. I fell in love with the hustle, I fell in love with the chase. No emotion, put in the pain. We get it no matter the weather. Sun, snow, sleet, rain. Go sleep and do it again.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Risk Taker Minds, also known as RTM, the channel where we'll dive deep into the world of Forex trading. My name is Ron, and I'm on a journey to not just understand, but master the art of trading. Here we'll explore the highs and lows of Forex while breaking down strategies, sharing tips, and learning from our mistakes. All while embracing the mindset it takes to become a successful trader. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to level up your trading game, you're in the right place. If you're ready to take the leap and transform your trading skills and mindset, please hit the subscribe button and join the community of risk takers. You can also find me on Instagram. But, let's get started and make this journey profitable together. Okay, to begin with, I want to start off by saying that this month coming up, I will be trading, but it's gonna be on a demo account. Somewhere around by the end of next month, I'll be getting a challenge account where I'll be trading, that challenge account and hopefully passing it, so we can get to the next level and actually start making, money and become profitable. And the reason I want to start off this channel before I even get the challenge account is because it's now or never. Like, why wait until the year ends to actually start doing something? Why don't you just start today? What's stopping you from starting today? So that's basically my mindset behind it. Nextly, I want to start off by saying that this strategy, the one that created this, or the strategy that I'm gonna be following, was made by FXLXG. Some of you might know him. He's on YouTube and Instagram. Y'all can go ahead and follow him. Do your research. The reason I like his strategy is because I feel like for a beginner, this is a pretty good strategy. And I feel like everybody would understand this strategy. I'm not in any of his courses or anything like that. I use YouTube. He has a lot of YouTube videos of his strategy on there, and that's how I learned some of his strategy. I also have my own twists on it, and you guys, the people that are new or the people that want to follow this strategy, don't do everything exactly the same. Do your own little tweaks to it to make it fit your own psychology. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so to begin with, if you hold on, give me a second. To begin with, if you guys wanna learn, if you guys are really new and y'all wanna learn all the way from the bottom, you guys can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting the Telegram link where I have the beginner's guide in there, teaching you guys how to find this website, how to create your account, and also I'm also gonna leave a little clip on how to do a demo account, how to start a demo account and start practicing on there. Um, you guys can use TradingView and trade on here, but I'd rather use MetaTrader 5. Okay, so let's begin actually showing you the strategy. This video was supposed to be posted like, I want to say 2 weeks ago, but stuff kept happening and timing wasn't right, I guess. But now hopefully this one goes good and everything runs smoothly. Okay, so I got my notes here. So the first thing you want to do, or the first thing I do before I get in any market, is I do a top-down analysis. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna show you guys a trade that I was gonna give you guys like a week ago, I think, and I had a whole video about it, you know, but didn't end up posting it. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the strategy. So the first thing you guys want to do is you guys want to do a top-down analysis. So first we go on the weekly and we figure out what is the market doing. Is the market bullish or bearish? And on around that time it was really bearish because we have this high right here. I can't even type it right. We have this high right here. Okay, so we have this and we have this low right here. So we were bearish right here. So I write down right here with the text tool, we write down weekly bearish. Then we go, give me a second. Okay, then we go to the daily time frame, and we do the same thing. Figure out, wait, where's it at? Okay, it's right here. Okay, so we were right here, right? Okay, so for the daily, around that time, so we were here. This was a higher low. Then the lowest low. And then we broke above the highest high again. So we were actually bullish. Where's it at? Right here. So on the daily we were actually bullish. Okay. Oh, it's already bullish. Okay. So on the daily we were actually bullish which is not ideal, but you know, I saw something on the 4-hour that I really liked. And we were also retesting the EMA right here. So this was bullish, and on the 4-hour I'm pretty sure that was bearish. We go down to the 4-hour. We were here, and yes, we were bearish. So this was the higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. And this is where I saw this on the 4-hour. I had this area of interest. Give me a second. If you have, okay. Oh yeah. Hold on. Before we look at the area of interest. So ideally, I can't speak, bro. We have to see 2 time frames in sync. So weekly has to be bearish, and then daily has to be bearish. And let's say these two were bearish. That would have been perfect, because this is like 30% of my confluences telling me that it's gonna be bearish. So you at least want to see, you always want to see the daily be in sync with this or with the 4 hour. It can be like this is bearish, bullish, and the 4 hours is bearish. That's not ideal. But like I said, on the 4 hour, I really liked how it was looking. So we had this area of interest right here. An area of interest is basically a place where price seems to, like, be stuck at, and it's at least 3 touches. So it's 1, you can count this one, but I don't really like counting it. 2, 3, 4, and I was expecting price, since we were here, I was expecting price to go in here, which it did, rejected. Well, actually, you want to go on lower time frames to see what's actually happening that day. And that day I told you, that day when I was recording, when I was supposed to record, I told you guys that you had to go on the lower time frames, and that it was going to happen in a London session, because we were somewhere around here maybe, and I saw it rejecting. And on the 30-minute, we had this inverted fair value gap right here. As where the wicks don't touch, that's a fair value gap. And when there's 2 combined, like here, that's an inverted fair value gap. And I was just waiting. When I saw price kept struggling here, I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait until it oh, okay, wait. So I saw it going down. I saw it going bearish, and I told myself, I could have entered here, but I told myself it's probably most likely gonna come and retest. So I waited for the retest, and I put my stops. Actually, my stops were right here. That was the original stop, because this is the area of interest. I didn't want it to wick me out. So my stop loss was here, and my entry was here. So I just waited, set my stop limit or sell limit, and I waited. It got hit, and when you're trying to look for where to take your where to put your take profit, you want to look at the next low. So the next low, closest low, was here. So I put it all the way to well, no, I actually took my profits here, but you could have went all the way to here, right here. Could have took your profits there, and it literally was to the dot. Literally perfect trade setup. But obviously, my next video is probably gonna be the 1st of next month, just because there is some good trades. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll show you guys the trades. But most likely I'm gonna start actually trading again and posting the 1st of January. But that was the strategy right there. If you guys want to see more, like I said, go like, subscribe, and comment if you like the video. And hold on, I had something else to tell you guys. Okay, so I think I told you guys about the EMA. The EMA is an indicator, which is also like a confluence. That's something else I saw on the 4 hour. you can see that the EMA was above the price, so it was an extra confluence telling me that it was going to be bearish. Because if the EMA is above it, above the markets, it's bearish. If it's under, it's going to be bullish. So that was my idea behind this trade. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.